Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you an unboxing of a product that I received, and this is an exciting product, especially for those of you that have a lot of makeup or are makeup artists that travel and want something easier to work with, or even moms that have, their kids in dance class and stuff, because all the bows, all the accessories, great for that too, or even for travel. Let's get started and show you what I got. So it's in this box. I received this from Beauty Binder and I haven't opened it yet. So I haven't played with it to see what it looks like. So we're gonna open it together. So I love the box that it comes in, because if you want to store it, you can store it. So I got, like explanation on it and stuff. A thank you card for supporting a small business, and the finder and owner is Stormy. She says, I started a beauty binder to organize my own makeup mess. I've spent a lot of money on my makeup and I wanted my products to be visible and accessible so I could actually find what I was looking for and use it. So I created Beauty Binder as a solution. I hope you love it as much as I do. We'll see, let's see. Okay. So let's get it out. Oh, it's big. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's pretty. It even has a bow on it. Okay. Wow. This reminds me of my scrapbooking days when I had these big old things to carry everything. So look at that. Oh, okay. Look how thick this is. Oh my god, and it has a handle. Love it. Love it. I love that it has a handle to carry it. So if you're traveling, so convenient and easy. If you're doing a makeover and you need to do it in another location, or you need to travel with it, perfect. All right, so it has this strap on it. And you ready? Are you guys ready? Ta-da! OMG. So there are compartments that I am gonna start putting my makeup so you guys can see. These are all the drawer flaps, the dividers. Look at this. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm trying to do this by holding it. I can't wait to fill this up so you guys can see it. Oh, this is so cool. Mesh bag. Okay, this is great. And then it has right here, what does it say? Beauty on the inside. Oh, I love it. And then here you put your brushes. And it has this here, so when you put brushes, they usually tend to get dirty. You can wipe this down and then you can put your brushes there. All right, let's fill it up. So let's start filling this baby up. The quality is so good. I love that they do really strong stitching. And what I'm gonna do is gonna open the binder so I can take the patches out and start filling it up. So these are great for like lipsticks, lip liners, because they're not that deep. So these work great for like things like this, if you want to put stuff like this that's smaller. Perfect. Love it. Okay, now we're doing the other side. I love the texture is really nice quality. So here I am going to put my concealers. Perfect. And this is the other pouch. We're gonna use it for the bigger things. Love it, love it, love it. feel that this is perfect for like sponges because it has a mesh in it. Love it. So the foundations are not gonna fit in here. These pockets have Velcro. I feel like they're better for like cotton or Q-tips or even something flatter. So I put them on the zipper pocket and I switched the sunscreens on the other one, but it still didn't work. Okay, so we're all done. I filled it up as much as I could. As you guys saw, it is the pockets, you know, are great for like every, you know, item you need. So just perfect. I mean, you could put whatever you want. These are the only pockets that I'm iffy about because not the Velcro doesn't close if it's bulky. So I think this is more for flat things, maybe lipsticks. I'm not too sure what I would put in there. I didn't try it, but those are the only ones that I'm kind of iffy about. And then we have the shadow palettes and the brushes. So, I mean, the quality is so sturdy that this thing could hold all this weight because this is pretty heavy. All right. We're gonna close it. So what did you guys think? Look at this. I love it. I love that, you know, you can use it just to organize stuff. It's a great gift to give to somebody that's starting, you know, with makeup, to keep organized. Somebody that is in the makeup industry. This can be your best friend. This is like, you could do however you want it. You know, you could probably just do it for brushes. You know, sometimes we have to carry so many brushes for just face, you know, no eyes, just, but you know, categorize it. It's however you want to do it. This is awesome. It's universal. I feel that you can do so much with it. So if you guys would love to get one of these, they gave me a discount code to give you guys so you guys can use, and that discount code is Beauty20. So that is the discount code that you guys can use at checkout to get this beautiful binder and get it for yourself, give it as a gift. It's just, I feel like it's just a great idea. It's, you know, if you have a small space, this is perfect to organize. If you're a makeup artist, this is like your best friend, my best friend. All right, guys, so don't forget you can use the code Beauty20. I'm gonna link down below for you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at geriliz.l, and don't forget to follow the Beauty Binder on Instagram too. Thank you, Beauty Binder, for my binder, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like. Thank you. Bye.